Looks good. Okay. Oh, Luke, come have some lunch with me. It was just on the table, and god damn it tastes delicious. Looks it. Oh, do you want some? No, I'm fine, thanks. What's up? You're being weird again. It seems to be something different every bloody day with you. I'm not being weird, I'm just eating some food. You're literally eating cat food. Oh shit! Forgot my drink. What were you saying? Something about me being weird? Josh, why are you eating cat food? I'm not eating cat food. Just because the tin says it's for cats and it has a picture of a cat on the front of it, doesn't mean it's cat food. I'm pretty sure if it has both those things, it is cat food. Maybe it just contains cats. Ever thought about that? Although, to be fair, that would be just as bad, if not worse. Yeah, it would. Are you sure you're not turning into a cat? No. People drink milk. Ordinary milk. Milk from a cow. Don't tell me that's cat milk. Well, I didn't pour it. It was just there on the side. But in my defence, there wasn't a picture of a cat on it. Look, I don't know why I care. Do what you like. If you want to sit there and eat cat food that's been left out the side, that is entirely up to you. I'm not eating cat food or drinking cat milk. We don't even have a cat. Where would I get these things from? I'm pretty sure milking cats is illegal. Alright. What are you eating then? Well, it's kind of beefy, like a jelly-like substance. I would say it was spam with gravy mixed in with it. Is there anything I can do or say that will convince you that you are eating cat food? No, probably not. Well, this was a complete waste of 5 minutes of my life. Luke, why are you eating rabbit food? Oh, bugs do their business on that. It's just gross. Oh.